Jai Hare Krishna, good morning from Vrindavan. Here is my friend Kishore. My name is Ambika, and here we have all volunteers coming from different parts of the world doing this amazing seva, that's taking out the garbage from Vrindavan. And this morning we are in a beautiful place called Madan Mohan Mandir. We are trying to take out the plastic from this beautiful place. We made a beautiful conscious art against the plastic. Here is Hanumanji, Lord Nrsimha, and they are telling us, please stop polluting our holy dam. And here we have Kishore. Kishorji, he is from Mexico, but he is like a Brajavasi. He's living here for the past 8 years, like me. So we are here living and we want to make a change here in Vrindavan. We want to take out the garbage, and Kishore will explain in Hindi.
राधे राधे। हम यहाँ वृंदावन में मदन मोहन मंदिर के बाहर आए हैं और जैसे आप देख सकते हो ये पूरा कूड़ा फैला चुका है। तो हम पहले भी साफ़ कर चुके हैं और आप इधर देख सकते हो कि हम ये सब बना के ही नरसिंह जी, हनुमान जी बोल रहे हैं कि कूड़ा मत फेंको, लेकिन तब भी लोग मान नहीं रहे हैं, कूड़ा फेंकते जा रहे हैं। तो आप कृपया लोगों को बोलना चाहिए कि जब एक बार साफ़ किए हैं तो दोबारा क्यों फैलाते हैं।
So thank you so much. Like Kishore is coming here every Sundays to join us. Many volunteers we have also from India. You can also come and join us. Let's take action. Here is our amazing workers of Brush Vrindavan now. They are our warriors. Here, devotees from different parts. And Haribol, what's your name?
Subodh.
Subodh, where are you from?
I'm from Nagpur.
And how do you feel doing all this service here in Vrindavan?
It's pretty good that we are doing something good work for Vrindavan, as it is always dirty with all the plastics and all.
And do you want to share a nice message to all our Indian people in Hindi, please? Why we have to avoid this horrible plastic?
प्लास्टिक से हमारा पूरा पानी का, धरती का पूरा प्रदूषण हो रहा है। उसकी वजह से बहुत सारी बीमारियां हो रही है और बीमारियों और उन्हें से बचाने के लिए हमें ये प्लास्टिक का जो है सिंगल यूज़ प्लास्टिक और एनी काइंड ऑफ प्लास्टिक पहले अवॉइड करना है एंड देन उसे डिस्ट्रॉय करना है।
Yes.
सो कलेक्ट करने के लिए गार्बेज कैंस है, so we can collect in the garbage cans and remove the problem.
Okay, thank you so much. Like him, he's doing a nice volunteer in our ashram. You can also join us. We have every Sunday this great cleaning with all the volunteers, and we will make this place tiny, clean, green, as should be. That's Vrindavan. Vrindavan is a forest, no, it's garbage site. So we have to stop polluting our holy dam. These are our beautiful gopis. They are cleaning so nicely. So if they are doing, why you cannot? Please come, join us. Let's clean, let's make green. Haribol? Haribol?
Haribol.
Where are you from?
London.
And how do you feel doing this service?
It's a good service to get involved in and just to see Vrindavan become cleaner and greener. That's the goal.
Yeah.
Hare
What's
Krishna.
your name?
Adam.
Adam.
Yeah.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet
Thank you for joining us. Like Adam, he was coming here, he was walking in the Parikrama Mark and he saw a group of people cleaning and he got inspired. So you can also do that. Here is another devotees cleaning the other side. And join us anyway. The message is we have to start now. That's why we are calling Brush Vrindavan Act now, because later will be very, very late. So join us. Keep Vrindavan clean and green. Jai Vrindavan Dham. Madan Mohan ki Jai. Radhe Shyam.